So, hi everyone, extending the model context protocol playlist that I have been creating. This time we are with the best MCP server so far, that is Zapier MCP server, which can help you automate all your social media platforms. Now we are automating that platform using AI. So, first of all, I'll be showing you how I have automated LinkedIn using the Zapier MCP. So, if you don't know, Zapier is a platform which helps you to automate your workflow for different social media platform. You can automatically post on LinkedIn, on Twitter, on YouTube, etc. Now we are automating this platform itself using AI. So I will be just asking my Claude AI to make a post on LinkedIn. Now using Zapier MCP, it would be able to access LinkedIn and then post that. So let's get started. First of all, let me show you the dummy LinkedIn profile that I've created for myself. This is data science pocket. Nothing is there. As you can see, no post, nothing is present, zero profile views, no posts are also there, right? So now I'll be posting a dummy post using Claude AI using Zapier MCP, and then we will be jumping on to how to integrate Zapier MCP. So let's get started. So as you can see, I have opened up my Claude desktop application, and here you can see that these are the MCP tools that have got added using Zapier MCP. LinkedIn create, share, update. So for now I've just connected my LinkedIn, but you can connect any social media platform. So let me prompt it, create a LinkedIn post stating this post is generated using Zapier Model Context Protocol using Claude AI. Now I'll hit enter. As you can see, it is creating the post for us. Allow for this chat. Now here you can see that the LinkedIn post has been successfully created and shared. Let's check back our profile. Now as you can see that this is the post I was talking about. This has been posted by AI using Zapier MCP server on LinkedIn. So this is crazy times ahead, my friends. And I think you can automate almost all the platforms using Zapier. If you don't know, be it YouTube, be it Medium, etc., this is just for demonstration purpose. Now let me show you how you can do this using the Zapier MCP. So as you can see, this is the official page for Zapier. You need to go to this particular page, Zapier MCP, get started. As you can see, once you enter here, you will get a URL for yourself, your unique MCP server endpoint. Here you need to copy this, and then you need to go to MCP actions. If you have already done it, it would be showing it as edit MCP actions. Else you need to check out what action you want to have. So I have already connected. I have already got my unique URL. I just now need to go to configure the actions. Here I already set up, as you can see, LinkedIn, create, share, update. You can add new action also. Just click here and search for whatever you wish to have. Like for example, YouTube upload a video, get report, etc. All the platforms are present here. Slack, edit message, request approval, etc. Once you are done, you need to click on enable and then get started. Once you are able to get the URL for yourself alongside, once you have got the edited the actions, what actions you wish to provide Zapier to perform for yourself, it would be asking for an authentication from you. Like for example, when I connected my LinkedIn account, it asked me to log in once done, now Zapier is connected to your LinkedIn account. The last step in this entire process is just to add this particular MCP server config, Zapier MCP. Command is npx, argument is mcp hyphen remote, and this empty bar you need to fill your MCP URL that you have got. Once done, you just need to restart your cloud application and you should be able to access any social media platform post from here using Zapier MCP. I hope this was useful and you are able to automate your social media life. Thank you so much.